Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given an expression and we have to solve it for x equals 6. So the expression given to us is 2 multiplied by 5x plus 7 plus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 5 plus 7. Okay. Now we have to solve for x equals 6. So when x equals 6, so substitute x equals 6 in the above expression. So we will have 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 plus 7 plus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 5 plus 7. There should be another bracket, right? So 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, and then we have plus 7 plus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 multiplied by 30 plus 7 is 37 plus 4 multiplied by 12 plus 2, which is 14. So 37 multiplied by 2 will be equal 74, and 14 multiplied by 4 will be equals 56. Therefore 74 plus 56 will be equals 130. Therefore upon checking the options, we see that option A will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.